The weather outside today is so beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. Like, can't you see? It's a snow day here. Buses have been canceled. So, off to work I go. Okay, so this may be a bit loud because I have all my kids home today because it's a snow day. We're supposed to be getting a heck of a We're supposed to be getting a fair bit of snow today. So, they canceled school. But I got onions I really desperately need to get dehydrated. So, I'm working on this today and a couple other things. But, now, I'm not saving these onion peels because I don't need to make broth or anything like that. And I have onion peels in the fridge, or in the freezer actually, being saved for that. But all I do is I just chop mine up. I put them in through the food processor to make them a bit smaller, so I have onion flakes without all the hassle of me sitting here chopping and dicing them. So I'm going to chop these bad boys up, as you can see. Excuse me. And I'm just going to line them on my tray. Okay, so just let me get this. I'm just going to show you guys the one, and then I'll show you at the end how much I get from 10 pounds. 10 pounds of onions. Okay. Oh, hubby just texted me. Okay. So this is how fine I chop them. Oh, he just double texted me. Okay, so this is how fine I chop them. They're not, you know, they're yay big. You can probably see that quite well. Oh, I might start crying here in a second. These onions are pretty potent. I've had them for sitting here for quite some time. I just haven't had time to deal with them because I haven't been well. And then my daughter got sick, and you know, it's just never ending. So all I do is I just take mine and I line them on a herb sheet. I don't blanch mine. I personally don't feel the need. All you're doing is just, in my mind anyway, all you're doing is just boiling away the flavor. If you guys want to boil them, go ahead. I'm not going to stop you. Right? Your kitchen, you do you, I do me. Okay. I always find with onions, it's best to kind of do them like this. Like, of course, you're never going to get them single layered, okay? Like, don't even bother trying. You just dump them on, make sure it's a nice thin layer like this. And I dry mine, sorry, I dry mine at 145, I think it is. Hold on, double check. Yeah, I dry mine between 135 and 145. But I'm just going to keep going with this, and I will show you guys what they look like and how much I get from this big 10-pound bag of onions. Oh, yep, there goes my eyes. They're watering. Okay. Oh, I got a couple things I gotta go deal with. So, I'm gonna keep going at this, and I'll bring you guys back at the end. So, probably in about 3 or 4 days by the time I have all this done. And I'll show you how much I get and what they look like. So, we'll be back. Okay, so here we go. Here is the 10-pound bag of onions dehydrated. So I got 2 liters. Honestly, these jars were beside me when I was doing it, so that's why I grabbed these. This one I was able to get sealed, but these two just don't want to seal. I don't know if there's something wrong with the jars or what, but having some issues with these jars. But yes. So that is what 10 pounds of dehydrated onions are going to give you. Not bad. So these will be used for a whole bunch of different things. Oh, look at that. I could have got more in there. Look at that. Oh, well. So there we go. 10 pounds of onions, dehydrated, saved for later use. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.